Welcome back from the break. Laughing is good for our health. It decreases stress hormones and causes endorphins to rise. Now, here is something interesting though. Our body cannot scientifically differentiate between a real laugh and a fake one, meaning even if you fake it, you will still reap all the health benefits. These people in Denmark are laughing for absolutely no reason. Research shows laughing doesn't signal happiness, it produces it. They say the average child laughs 500 times a day and an average adult only 40 times a day. So these laughter yoga classes benefits health. Some people forget to laugh because of tension, stress, worry, etc. So these exercises helps to remind you that laughing keeps you healthy. Laughing, whether real or fake, is good for the heart, and even just the anticipation of laughter may elicit some of the same benefits as well.